Jai Gurudev children. Beta, in last period we have completed up to the exercise 6.2 decimal chapter we were doing. Okay. Today we are going to start exercise 6.3. But before that we have to understand what is the meaning of like and unlike decimal. Like decimals and unlike decimals are those decimals whose decimal places are same, means after decimal, not before decimal. If before decimal they have different number of digits, no problem, but after decimal their number of digits should be same, then they will be called as like decimal. And unlike decimals are those decimal whose decimal places will have a different number of decimal numbers, different number of decimal number. For example, see that 32.6, 3.5 and 120.7. If you will see that before the decimal their number of digits are different. Here before decimal they have 2 digits, here 1 digit and here 3 digit, but we will not see this one. We will see only after decimal they all are having one digit, so they are like decimal. And what are unlike decimal? You see that in this example 6.5, 2.45, 3.246, etc. You see that after decimal they have 1 digit, here 2 digits, here 3 digits, so they will be counted as unlike decimal. Now we are going to start exercise 6.3. You have to put the correct sign in front of the like decimal. You can see beta, here 2.08 is there, okay, and here 12.67 is there. After decimal here also 2 digits are there, here also 2 digits are there, so they will be counted as like decimal. Now see that 12.675 and 15.001, here after decimal also 3 digits are there and here also 3 digits are there, so they will be as like decimal. Okay. Now see that 12.01 and 12.1, after decimal 2 digits there, after decimal 1 digit there, so they will be not as a like decimal, so you just cross that. After, see that D part now 400.5 and 200.6, here also after decimal what is that, one single digit is there, so they will be also as like decimal. Okay. Now see that E part 250.125 and 12.100. You can see that here 3 digits are there and here also 3 digits are there, so they will be also like decimal. Okay. Now see that question number 2. Now see that beta, which of the following are unlike decimal? Unlike decimal means after decimal they will not have the equal number of digits. You see that 14.21 and in front, previously you are putting right sign in front of like decimal. In this question you have to put correct sign in front of unlike decimal, means you have to select that which one are the unlike decimal. Okay. See that 14.21 and 2.78, both of them having after decimal 2 digits, so they are not unlike, they are like, so you just cross it. Okay. Now see that 3.08 and 7.125, here 2 digits are there and here 3 digits are there, so they will be unlike, so you just take it. Okay. Now see that C part 15.001 and 12.100, they are like decimal, here also 3 digits are there and here also 3 digits are there, so you just cross it. Now see that 54.7 and 7.54, you see that here after decimal 1 digit is there, here after decimal 2 digits are there, so it will be unlike, so make it take. Okay. Now see that 1001.1 and 101.001, after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 3 digit, so it is also unlike decimal. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. See that question number 3 now beta, change into like decimal. How we will change into like decimal? So you will see that after decimal what are the maximum number of digits. You can see that in question number 1, A part after decimal 1 digit is there, after decimal 2 digits is there. Okay, so here at only 10th place, here at 10th and 100th place both. So how you can make it equal? You just put 0. You just put 0, because after putting 0 there will be no change in its decimal value. Okay, so in this way, after decimal, now here is also 2 digit and here is also 2 digits. So it has become now like decimal. Here in this example, B part, see that 4.23 and here 12.1. After decimal 1 digit is there, after decimal 2 digit is there. So you put 10 here. So now the equal number of digits will become. Okay, see that now. C part 5.78, 4.101. After decimal, maximum number of digit are 3. So what you will do? Here 1 digit is there, so put 20 in front of that. Okay, and here 2 digits are there, so put 10 in front of that also. So you can see that now after decimal, all the digits having equal number of all the numbers having equal number of digits. So they are now, they have become now like decimal, converted into like decimal. See that now here 4.518, here maximum number of digits are 3, here are 2, so put 10 here, here are 1, so put 20 here. So in this way you can see that equal number of digits now they are having after decimal. So in this way, E part will be your homework. You will complete this part yourself. This is very simple question. Okay, now come to the exercise 6.4. See that now beta, question exercise 6.4, question number first. Fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal to sign, means whatever it will come you have to put that. Now see that 0.48 and 0.84 is there. So you can see that 4 is smaller than 8. First compare the after this 10th digit. What you will compare? Compare the 10th digit. If you are not getting result from them, then you move to the 100th digit. If after that also you are not getting result, then you will move to the 1000th digit. Okay, now see that here 4 and 8. So 4 is less than 8. Okay, so this number will be smaller. Now see that 10 and 10, they are having before decimal, they have equal value. Now see that 10th value means 10th digit. Okay, 10th value 5 is equal to 5. Now move to the 100th value. Okay, and 100th value is 6 less than 8. So this number will be smaller. Okay, now see that 12.89 and here 12.8 is there. So first make them equal by convert them into equal number of like decimal. So put 0 in here in front of that. Now compare that. 10th value is 8 and 8 equal. So we cannot get any result. Now here 9 and here 0. So this will be greater. 9 is greater than 0. 9 is greater than 0. So this number will be greater. Okay. Now see that D part. 32.47 and 32.6. So you can see that 4 is greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0. So this number will be greater. Okay. Now see that 100.09 and 100.9. You see that 0 in first case 0 is smaller than 9. So this number will be smaller. So in this way F, G and H you will do in your homework part. Okay. Now see that question number 2 beta. Arrange the following number in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. What is your first question? See that 0.245, 0.345, 0.425 and like that. So I have given them number. First which number will come? So you just write 0.245. Firstly we will write this because this is smaller than 0.345. Then afterwards which will come 0.420, 0.420. Then fourth number, in fourth number which will come 0.425 and lastly 0.5343 is the greatest among all these ones. Okay, same way you just see that first which number will come 9 point, which one is the smaller? see that first one is 9.07. Okay, because it's first place after decimal it has 0. Now second is 9.077. 9.077. Third one is 9.707. Okay, then fourth one is 9.77 and fifth one is 90.77. So in this way you have to select the numbers. Now see that here which one is the smaller. See that if you will see this one 0.444. No? So before in its left side there is no number, so it will be the smaller. So 0.444 smaller. Then afterward this one only one single digit before decimal, so 4.44. Then third place will be of 40.04. 40.04. So you can see that third one. Then fourth one will be 40.04. Then fifth one is 444.4, and finally which will come in which no decimal is there. So in this way, so it is your ascending order. So in this way beta, D and E part of this question you will do in your homework. Okay, you will do those part yourself. Now come to the third question of this one. Yes, see that now beta, question number third. Okay, and what is in that question? Arrange the following number in descending order. Descending order means beta from greater to smaller you will write now. So greatest number you have to select. You can see that here which one is the greatest. You can see that 0.453. So you will write this first, 453. This one is greater. Okay, so it will come first. Then second number you see that 0.425 will come. Okay, then in third 0.420 will come. 0.420 will come. It will be greater than this 0.345. And lastly which one is come? See that fifth one is 0.245. 0.245. Okay, so I have given them numbering which will come first. See that in B part also you can see that which one is the greatest among all these ones. 30.66. so you just write 30.66 in first position. Then second position if you will see, second position will come 3.607. 3.607. Then in third position it will come 3.56. Okay, 3.56. Then in fourth position 3.066 will come, and fifth position 3.06 will come. Okay, now see that the C part. In C part if you will see that this number is the greatest, so write it 4444. Then second number will be 444.4, one decimal number. Okay, then in third number you can see that this 44.04 will come. Okay, then third, then fourth number will be of 40.04. 40.04. Then fifth position 4.44, and lastly in sixth position 0.44444. Okay, so in this way beta, D and E part of this question you will do yourself. Okay, same way, mean from greatest decimal you have to start. Okay, until here everybody of you, your work should be complete beta in the month of the September first week. Before your half yearly exams, your copies will be called in the school, and in that time your internal marks will be given on the basis of your copy only. So complete your copies also. Okay, and don't write that the question, these are the homework question are your responsibility to do them. Okay, till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.